Hello everyone, my name is Alexey, CEO of LightNova.
I'm Yaroslav, Head of Customer Support at LightNova.
And today together we would like to demonstrate you the new functionality of our miniRaman microscope. In particular, user-friendliness of its modality when you would like to use it with different miniRaman spectrometers. So what we see here, box that is connected through USB and charged through the power supply. You can see indication of the operation here. Class 1 laser safety, so you can open the lid, and here we have a system that block laser each time you open the cover. So 3D stage. Objective. Objectives are on a magnetic holder, so you can easily replace, let's say it's 50x, you can do it for 10x, 100x, whatever you want, and it is that fast. Next step, when we would like, Yaroslav takes the device, and we would like to place it inside the microscope, what we should do, no alignment, nothing needed. We just open the lifting system, we take out the USB cable, we place inside the miniRaman spectrometer like that. 1, 2, 3 cable. Yeah. We lift it inside, lock, close, and then the rest would be done on a laptop for the full Raman microscopy mapping and whatever other measurements you would like to do. No alignment needed. So basically each time user would like to take miniRaman and use it as a handheld unit, it is that easy. Take it, USB out, 1, 2, 3, and then you can attach several probes contact, free space probe, and do the measurements. Thank you for your attention, and Yaroslav.
Thank you for your attention, and if you are interested in acquiring our microscopes or spectrometers, please visit our website and contact us via email or phone. Thank you.